In this video, we all see how to set up Brahmastra.ai extension tool. So let's begin. Go to the extension page on the Chrome Web Store. The link of the extension is also available in the description below. So click on Add to Chrome button, then select Continue to install. Finally, click on Add extension. Once we complete these steps, the extension will be successfully added to our browser. Now click on Extension toolbar. Pin the extension so it's always visible. Click on extension icon. You all see a pop-up with login and sign up buttons. Since this is our first time, so we all click sign up to get started. This will take us to the browser page where we can complete the sign up process. Click on sign up button. Enter your email and password. Click on sign up. You have successfully registered in our system. You can see the notification also. Next, you all need to complete your profile. Click on let's begin. For now, please provide the information that helps pre-fill your application form. The information consists of 6 main sections: personal information, educational information, work professional information, skills, and various media files. Once you have filled everything out, review your details and click on submit. After completing these steps, you have successfully finished the onboarding process. Now you all be redirected to our dashboard page where you can see analytics and tracking. The dashboard shows how many applications you can send per week, per month, and per day. How much time you have saved, the application details. You can also update your profile information in profile section by clicking edit all button. Once you have completed your onboarding process, you can see the extension pop up. You have successfully logged in with our extension also. Now let's move on. You are ready to use the extension. When you visit a supported website like Google Form and any company career page, our extension will automatically activate and you will see the extension widget in right corner of the screen. Now just click on extension widget button. You all see our Brahmastra tool automatically fill each field with the appropriate information and show helpful notifications. Once the application is filled, all you need to do is click submit and you are done. Now next, let's check out the analytics on your browser dashboard. You all see the application details and how much time you have saved. how many job applications you have applied to, and more. Now let's explore the power of Brahmastra, your ultimate job application tool to land your dream job. Thank you.